Hello gang, SharpShot21 here. I apologize. It has been a little too long since I've actually got a video out. Uh, uh, as you've seen in the last couple of weeks, I have been putting out 2 of the transmission build series, and thank you for watching those. We are coming up to the end of those, and then I've got some videos for this Ranger, and we're going to finally get into the Voron 0.102 build. I've got a couple more things to do on that one, but we can start putting those videos out while I finish up that printer. Those should probably take us through the end of the year, maybe into the start of the new year. I'm going to try to do 1 printer, 1 truck video a week, and get back on the vlog videos, this style, when feasible as well. I want to try to do 1 of those a week as well. It's been a busier year than I was hoping for in some ways, and in other ways it has been less productive than I wanted it to be. I'm also hoping to get back to doing some streaming here. I don't know if it'll be Monday nights or Wednesday nights or what. It may even be Sunday evenings here starting in a couple of weeks. My work schedule on Sundays is going to be a little more consistent in terms of when I get done. So I should definitely have Sunday evenings free at that point. So probably Sunday nights is actually when I'll do some streaming. I may hop on with a coworker and stream on Monday nights. We'll find out. So yeah, that's what's coming down the pipe there. Keep tuning in for the transmission series. Those are getting done. Got a little bit more work to do on those videos, and then I've got to crawl under the Jeep because, spoilers, it does not go to plan. It got put in and then I got no drive, but I think I know what the issue is there. I'll do an update at the end of the transmission series on that one. And then this thing has had a lot of work done, and some of it I couldn't even video just because I didn't have the time. But we'll do that here in another video in a second. But just a little update of what's going on, what's been happening, and where things are looking. Thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you on the next one. Sharps out.